Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin. What is a street market? A street market is an open market on the road or footpath. People sell fruits, clothes, and daily items there. Do you like visiting street markets? Yes, I like visiting street markets. They are lively and colorful. What things are sold in street markets? Street markets sell vegetables, fruits, clothes, and snacks. Many useful items are available at low prices. Why are street markets popular? Street markets are popular because items are cheap. They are easy to access. When do you usually visit a street market? I usually visit in the evening. It is busy and enjoyable at that time. Can people bargain in street markets? Yes, people can bargain in street markets. This makes shopping fun. Are street markets crowded? Yes, street markets are often crowded. Many people come to shop. How do street markets help local sellers? Street markets give work to local sellers. They help them earn money. Are street markets clean or dirty? Some street markets are clean, but some are dirty. Cleanliness depends on people and sellers. Do you think street markets are important? Yes, street markets are important. They help both buyers and sellers. Great job, everyone! You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.